How to set default theme in Messenger. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to set default theme in Messenger. To set a default theme in Facebook Messenger, you want to follow these steps. First of all, make sure your app is completely up to date. If not, go to your respective app store and update it. Now, open the Facebook app and then log into your account. After which, you want to open up the chat page where you want to set the default theme. So what here you need to do is, first thing first, tap on the I button from the top or right corner of your screen, and there you have these customization, and underneath there is a theme, right? So if you scroll down right to the bottom, you could find this default section, or you could just go ahead and look for these default section on this page, and accordingly you want to go ahead and select it. So here you could also go ahead and select color gradient. You could just go to this section, theme, and then you want to go ahead and look for the color gradient. And this is how you'll be able to set a default theme in Messenger. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.